Welcome to our series on great philosophers. Today we explore Anaxagoras, a pre-Socratic thinker who introduced groundbreaking ideas about reality and the cosmos. His philosophy centers on the concept of nous, or mind, portraying it as the cosmic force that organizes the universe. Additionally, Anaxagoras proposed that everything contains a portion of everything else, offering a unique perspective known as homoiomry. These ideas have not only shaped ancient thought, but continue to resonate with modern scientific and philosophical inquiries. Join us as we delve into the profound insights of Anaxagoras and discover their lasting relevance in our quest to understand the universe and our place within it. Anaxagoras introduced the concept of nous, or mind, as a force that brings order to the cosmos. He proposed that everything in the universe is composed of infinite tiny particles, which he termed seeds or elements. According to his theory, each of these particles contains a portion of every other particle, an idea known as homoiomry. This principle suggests a universe where every substance holds traces of all other substances, but it's the notion of nous that truly distinguishes Anaxagoras. He visualized this cosmic mind as pure, unmixed, and possessing the power to initiate motion and impose order. Nous is not just a passive entity, but an active force driving the cosmos' organization and animation. This dualism of mind and matter forms the essence of Anaxagoras' philosophy, demonstrating a profound interconnectedness between thought and the physical world. Through Anaxagoras' lens, we see a universe where intelligence and substance are inseparable, each influencing and organizing the structure of the cosmos. Anaxagoras' groundbreaking ideas not only reshaped ancient thought, but also resonate deeply with modern science and philosophy. His concept of nous, or cosmic mind, parallels today's explorations into the nature of consciousness and information theory. Just as he viewed nous as the organizing principle of the cosmos, contemporary thinkers grapple with understanding consciousness as a fundamental aspect of the universe. This intertwining of mind and matter is echoed in the ongoing mind-body debate within philosophy and neuroscience. Anaxagoras' ideas find relevance in modern-day technology, especially in artificial intelligence. The quest to develop machines capable of thinking and reasoning mirrors his belief in the organizational power of intelligence. Moreover, the field of quantum physics reflects his notion of homoiomry, where particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously, suggesting that everything contains portions of everything else. Beyond physics, this idea aligns with our understanding of ecosystems, highlighting the interconnectedness and interdependence of all living beings within a larger system. Anaxagoras' philosophy encourages us to see the organized structure in both mind and matter, a vision that continues to inspire and challenge us as we explore the complexities of the universe today. Anaxagoras' philosophy provides a precious lens through which to view modern scientific and ethical dilemmas. His emphasis on nous aligns with the thoughts of later philosophers who emphasized rationality and intelligence. Take René Descartes, for example, with his famous statement, cogito ergo sum, I think, therefore I am. This mirrors Anaxagoras' focus on the value of the mind. Immanuel Kant's concept of the noumenal world parallels Anaxagoras' vision of an underlying reality governed by rational principles. Alfred Whitehead's process philosophy paints reality as a series of interconnected events, resonating deeply with Anaxagoras' belief in a dynamic, organized cosmos. These connections bridge the ancient and the modern, showing a continuum of intellectual development and the timeless relevance of Anaxagoras' insights. By emphasizing rationality and intelligence, Anaxagoras set the stage for a legacy of thought that continues to inspire philosophical inquiry and scientific exploration today. Anaxagoras' insights reflect universal human values like curiosity, unity, and rationality. These values are essential for progress in addressing contemporary issues, showing the timeless relevance of his philosophy. His relentless quest for understanding underscores the importance of curiosity, while his belief in interconnectedness promotes global solidarity. The emphasis on reason and intelligence holds profound implications for navigating life's complexities, making his philosophy a beacon of wisdom that transcends time and culture. In conclusion, Anaxagoras' philosophy offers timeless insights into existence and intelligence. His exploration of nous invites us to reflect on the mind's role in organizing our world. By bridging ancient wisdom and modern thought, he inspires a deeper appreciation for our interconnected cosmos. Anaxagoras' ideas remind us that the quest for knowledge, unity, and rational understanding is a journey that transcends time, fostering wisdom that guides us toward a more enlightened future.